Welcome guys, today I am with JBL Live Pro+ True Wireless Sound earbuds and I'm going to show you how you can easily pair them with your Android smartphone. So at the first, we have to simply charge the case and earbuds inside at least to the 50%, and next open the case, just like that. These indicators will flash like that. The next step, we have to simply remove them from the case, and you will find this little small tiny indicator blinks on the blue like that. It means that we are in the pairing mode. As you can see right now, it's blinking right here. So just put them back, go for the Bluetooth settings on your phone, enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, and as you can see on the available devices list, we'll get our JBL Live Pro+ True Wireless Sound, but you don't have to select this left earbud, you have to go for this one, for the JBL Live Pro+ True Wireless Sound. Click pair, accept the pairing, and there it is, we are connected. Another step, we have to go for the Play Store and get JBL application, so type JBL and get JBL headphones. Click install. Right now we can open. We have to accept this stuff. Click start. And as you can see, our application automatically finds our earphones, but we have to also accept this location. We can click X, and here they are. So if you have them here, they will be automatically detected. We can go forward, but basically we can also skip this step. We can activate the voice assistant, we can make it later. Okay, and there it is. As you can see right now, we are in the application. So we can, for example, adjust the equalizer. There's few presets. You can open the settings where you can, for example, get the firmware update, and you can adjust gestures or whatever you want. So yeah, that's how it looks. That's how you can connect these earbuds to your Android phone. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.